welcome back to my channel. This is Diana the Paper Pineapple, and today I have a little unboxing, I guess. This is Elle Studios. I believe it's April's kit. Now, let me tell you what happened. So I was waiting for my kit to come, and I was sent a message, an email, saying that it was on its way, and I was waiting, and I never got it. And I was like, why isn't my kit here? So I had to contact them, and they were so nice that they resent my package because I had ordered some things I bundled with my kit. So I know it's already in May and I'm barely getting my kit, and that's why I have not done any of my layouts, because I was waiting for this kit in order to do my week 17 and 18. So anyway, I just wanted to explain a little bit the backstory about that. But anyway, so here is what I received. I ordered, what is this? I think it's Good Times Together die cuts, and it has like all kinds of like cool, like Your Love, Let's Go Explore. There's a bunch of, I don't want to go ahead and open this because this video is gonna be super long, and it's just supposed to be a quick, you know, look-see of what I ordered. But I really like that it has different colors and they're big bold letters, and I like how it has this in cursive and then these big block letters. So yeah, I ordered that. I ordered the floral die cuts. I really love florals. I really like how that ties in with the spring. Lots of pretty colors and flowers in there. So I ordered that. I did order April labels because you can never have enough labels. And I like that it comes in different colors, and all these colors match with the kits and all the cards. And so that's the extras. I didn't order too much. But here is what I ordered. This is what comes in the April kit. I'm sure you probably have already seen so many videos because mine came in super, super late, but I'm super thankful and grateful to them that they were able to resend it. So anyway, I hope that doesn't happen for my May kit. I never had a problem or an issue till now. Okay, so here is the die cuts. So it has destination, don't miss this, so proud of you, you got this, check out this view, always have hope, and I have the little banners. Here is some, I always like to show the 4x6s first. These pretty flowers, which I think coordinates well with these florals. And then here is another set of die cuts, big moments, a day well spent, fight joy in today, good vibes only. I love all these because these are so versatile. You can use them with any picture or project. Let's go, and field notes. So I like that. They usually just come with 3 4x6s, and I like that it comes with lots of 3x4s because I feel like I use 3x4s more than 4x6s. So they have story number 1, story number 2, courage, dear heart, 5 reasons why I love this season, details from this moment. I recall this one was from last kits too, but it was a yellow one. Or maybe it's in the April's printables. I'll have to show you because I do have a printout here. Note to self, I love that with the little pencil, and then again with the flowers, goes with that, and then the card here, the 4x6, love that pretty pink. I always like grid journaling cards, a blue one, diagonal print there. I love the different colors here. I think it's perfect for journaling prompts, or like my Thursday 3. Here's that heart journaling card. Here's one with the tag, I believe. There was one also with the blue tag, I want to say. Having fun. Grid card. I love rainbows. Those are cute. Currently working on. Love that. Ticket. I love tickets. I want to get, they have a die cut of a ticket, and I really love it. I need to order it. Maybe next kit I can bundle it. And then this pretty little flower card. So yep, these are the 3x4s that come with the kit. And then I also wanted to show you the April printables. I think I was so desperate to use something for one of my weeks, and I ended up using, this is the April printables. on their website and see how they have this one that's like the blue one, and then a number 1 and number 2, and then one like this and one like that. So it's like very similar. I believe on their website, I think it's like 99 cents, I believe. I'm not sure. Or is it $1.99? I can't remember. But this is separate. If you do subscribe to their monthly kits, these are one of the items that you get to download for free. So they give you this, and they also give you the files for to use with your cutting machine. Like if you have a Cricut machine or a Cameo, you can use those, and those are cut files, and those are awesome too. So anyway, I just wanted to share real quick, and I hope you guys will go order yours, and yeah, let me know if you have any questions or comments, and yeah, go order yours today. All right, thanks for stopping by. I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye guys.